Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. So, on this video today is a special video, but before we go into deep to this video, have you subscribed? Huh? Have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? Like? Have you given this video like? Comment down below. Leave a sweet comment about what you think about this video. So on today's video, guys, I'm welcoming you back to another episode of this video. I'm not anywhere else. I'm in our bulletproof house, and while you call this bulletproof house, I'll just give you a quick explanation why I usually call this house as a bulletproof house. So welcome, and I want to say thank you so much for 21,000 subscribers, guys. You're amazing. You're the best. Be blessed. We are heading to 22,000 subscribers now, and through that the road is to 30,000 subscribers, then 100k subscribers, then infinity. Don't do that, guys. So I'm not anywhere. Actually in our bulletproof house, in our mud house in the village, and as you see, I've started to furnish this house slowly by slowly. And as I told you, I was to collapse one business that was one Airbnb over there, in which people stole things from there. So I have to secure my properties, bring them back to this house over here. So yeah, I will give you a quick tour from the kitchen up to the other bedrooms. Then from today, from the same video, I'm going to give you a very great, guys, God open ways, one by one, two by two, with no rush. One thing you came to realize with Claude Joseph is I'm this man who is satisfied with the little I get. I'm grateful with the life. I'm grateful with each and every success, each and every days. When I wake up, I thank God. Thank you so much for this. And you have to learn that Hari has no blessings, but slowly by slowly, slowly but sure, we'll actually be there. So I'm filming this video right away from the village here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific, Nyabuhanse, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. And I am actually inside our bulletproof house. This house has been constructed in more than 4 years, since 2019, when I started buying materials. 2020 Corona was there. 2021 I started cutting some trees down, putting the foundation, bring the engineer, the mad engineer, I should call them mad engineers, like people who construct these semi-permanent houses, the mad house engineers. I brought him here, and we actually went aside, like strides, like, hey man, me I want this kind of house. And him's like, I know you won't pay me this money. I tell him, how do I look? Can't I pay you the money that you want? So once I gave him the plan, my plan. Actually, he did, but he never did it with one heart. He was like, maybe this guy, blah blah blah. And actually, the good thing is, if you have to start constructing, start by buying materials. Even if it will be excessive, you'll one day thank me. So let me give you a quick tour about this house. Then from here, I want to take you direct to our land, where we bought our land. So we were fixing something there, so that I can just avoid chaos with neighbors over there. So let's dive into this videos. So right away, this is our kitchen, and I want to start by giving you a tour of this kitchen over here. Yeah, so the other time you were seeing this area, it never had this thing over here. I don't know how it's been called, a kitchen island or what. So I fixed this over here, though our kitchen is incomplete, still not yet complete. So down here it has this kind of tiles, and on the walls I haven't yet fixed what I wanted to fix. I've been looking for certain tiles that I wanted to fix over here, but not yet. So yeah, over here, this is also the place where I'll put a fridge some days, maybe. Also, another good job was done by Min Howie. She fixed this. She brought an engineer to fix these cupboards. That's why you see they have some stuffs in. Also in here we have some cups. So they were wonderfully made Also on this other end, I don't know what is fixed here, I have some bowls and some other stuffs. Also here we have some plates. Wow, I love this. Also this paint, I'll wanna day paint it on the other side. So sometimes people say this house is not a mud house, it's a mud house, an MUD. Look at here, I left this point to just show people that it's a mud house, a pure mud house. But some days I'll fix it, put a nice window, we call it ventilation. So over here I still haven't yet my idea to leave this area here, I was to fix what we call like a 4-burner jiko. I mean, how do we call that big jiko?
It's a 4-burner.
4-burner, a 4-burner that use a 4-burner gas cooker that uses electricity over here. But for now, I just improvised by putting on this. So from here we are having this 3-burner. It's just on this side. So as you cook from here, you can just peep and so see who is that neighbor who want to hear my soup, who want to taste my aroma, my goat soup aroma. Also you can see people sitting down there or also passing on the road. So over here we have fixed also this other side. This is where you can get some different tea leaves. We have Nescafe, we have ginger tea leaves over here. And also as you cook food over here, don't worry guys, this is my helmet, you can serve food from this window to this area. Some subscriber commented on the live like, Claude, why didn't you put a kitchen island over here? Guys, this was a mud house and I had no plan. Like maybe I have ever visited a very beautiful house those days back. My idea was to construct just a house like this way, the way it is. This was to be a room, it used to be a bedroom. But I realized after this house has been constructed, like when I came back, I found that this guy has put a very tiny bedroom in here. Like the way you see here, it was a very small bedroom. So this house was to be 3-bedroom, like the first bedroom over there, the master bedroom, in which also he made it very tiny. Though I can't blame him because also me, by that time, I had no big idea about what was going on. So with me, I knew a mason is a mason. So he made this become a very small bedroom. So I decided to put it to become a kitchen because it was small, guys. You can just imagine from this point to this area. How can you fix a bed? You know, you can't fix a bed. So I decided, as a good idea came in my mind, I can fix what you call like a kitchen in here. Then my mind came like if that time could be like, I have traveled, I've seen how stuffs are online, other houses how they are, I could have cut this area so that it can become an open kitchen. But yeah, due to my time when I really tried. When I come back and see this, I really tried at this age, and also as the time that I was constructing, it was Corona period. So yeah, this is the kitchen, and also this is the outside balcony. And also I'll just show you, because for now we have a big padlock. Reason being, we are preparing ourselves. We want to be moving from the village because we were also on a vacation, but we came back to support a brother, and also for I am Amarwa, who called us over here. So it was not only for his benefit, but also for our own benefit as content creators, because he is the king for us. He's the leader to us. When he tells us, I want you to assemble here, even if I will be anywhere, I have to book a flight to come back. So we have to come back in the village because we had visitors over there. So yeah, and also my brother was to come and give Bibi a soup, in which you saw on my previous videos. So yeah, those were something that brought me back in the village. So this is our kitchen over here. This is the place where you can hang your stuffs, maybe your towels. Also, like the way she has hung here, the pan, the chopping board, other stuffs over there. And also let me know in the comment section what you think. Maybe Minhawa will come and explain to us later. For now, she's in the other side working. So also we put these some L chairs or seats. This is how you see them. And some days we come to repaint, because this paint, it's white. it's a gypsum painting. So we want to scrub. Even here we haven't yet finished. We wanted to scrub and repaint it, actually repaint and repaint, but the house still looks this. Yeah, so over here we have a dining area. I'm sorry guys, I wanted what to call a sunken living room and a raised uh, a raised dining area. So with me by that time, my mind was like, I haven't yet much exposed to the buildings and other stuff. So this area, it's a dining area. The reason being, I'll put here some dining seats, some best dining seats, short best dining seats, and then from here you can just see who is cooking, or you can receive food from this end as you eat from this side. Also we have a window here. It's big but not that big, and yeah, it's best to have best lighting. Lights are very all over here. As a content creator, you need some lights all over. So yeah, and also over here you can just sit and watch a TV from this side. So this area over here is for the TV. It's like a TV stand, but it's a wall connected wall TV stand. So I wanna buy a TV some days, put here, and I'm so sad and sorry when I hear about a TV. Actually, one of my subscribers, like, she really struggled, like, you know, asking me how much is the TV, and like, I wanna surprise you with this kind of a TV, and somebody came and installed it, guys. I'm like, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Sometimes when I hear that, even my voice go low and I feel very bad. So yeah, over here we'll put a TV, maybe a 55-inch. It will be so nice and great over here. And still I have my souvenir here, my shoes souvenir that came from all the way from Atlanta to this area of Florida, America, USA. I still love this. Some days when I have a kid, this will be the first thing to be on site there. So I keep it up here as a souvenir. And also over here we'll put some other stuffs. Also right here it should be like putting on something like this. Over here, this is altar wine from proudly Tanzanian. When my brother came here, they paid a visit with this kind of wines, because some people here like me also usually take wine. So he paid a visit with a lot of wines like this called altar wine. So I used to take this in here. It's called altar wine, but it's not in. I think I'll dispose this. So when you put them in here and you put some lights, let me put some lights and you see how it will be. So you put some lights here. Oh my god, it looks very nice and great. Look from here. And you have some different kinds of wines out from South Africa, from wherever, and all lights are off and you're just watching your wine from there. If you want, you come, you say, hey Claude, I want white wine, I want red wine. I can serve you here. So yeah, let me take you inside here on the other bedroom. Still, we haven't yet made it. Okay, this door just got damaged, but I'll just fix it someday soon. So over here, this is how you see it. This is this other room, guest room. Yeah, so bedroom number 1. Over here we brought these other beds, the way you see them here. So we haven't yet made anything because the stuffs are here, because I told you we are moving, so we can't just spread the bed well, so we have to remove those covers and everything. We fix them on these cupboards so that even if there will be something coming, it can't destroy the stuffs. So this is how our room looks like. It's well lit. We also have, you can see from out here, we have what we call like a very nice view from outside. Yeah, we have some beads. Out here and also up to this side, you see. Yeah, this is it. This is the living room. It's a bit small but not big. This actually I constructed it according to according to the pocket I had those days back. So for now, maybe some days, God willing, on the other project that I'm going to share with you over there, I'll construct my home now, my retire home, because here it's at home. And when you come and say, Claude, take me to your parental home, I'll just bring you here, and you can feel home, you can feel the taste. So from here we have the second bedroom, which acts like a master bedroom. It acts like a master bedroom over here. So for now, I have fixed my stuffs in here, and also as I brought all this, that's where you see it has a bed. That's how you see the bed, and also an extra mattress. And also in here, it's a toilet in which I haven't yet fixed it. So yeah, I wanted actually a room where it's all white, painted white. So that's why you see we have here, and still I'll just repaint it, repaint and repaint and repaint and repaint. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this. And yeah, so on this side, let's go and see what Minhawi is doing. Yeah, it's so Minhawi.
Hey.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
I'm
Okay.
good.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Are you okay?
Yep.
So tired and exhausted. Yes.
We had guys to move things from the other Airbnb that things were stolen from, and you know, me, the moment you interfere with security, that's it for me.
Yeah.
So I had to move them here, or we had to move them here, because this also can be like a homestay or something.
Yeah, for sure.
Like if anyone wants to come, they can still stay here.
Yeah.
So this house has been empty for a while now. So we were like, okay, why not just put things, furnish it, and just have it like ready for any guest that may come, or anybody, you know.
Absolutely.
Either way, it still serve the same purpose. Yeah, so that's what we've been doing. Of course, we still have another one Airbnb remaining.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is what we wanted to do before we move back to Mombasa.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So already we used to have three Airbnbs. So one we actually gave to a friend, and also the other one which things were stolen, we just took them off. So we remained with one Airbnb which is in Nyabuhanse, and also we can homestay here if you want, like a real village life where you want to stay with my family. You can homestay over here
with the goats.
With goats. You can just go to the shamba. Yeah, and also I welcome all of you guys. And also if also in Mombasa we still have an Airbnb there. It's still there.
And also guys, another reason is because you can also, as a business person, you can look at the times. If something is not making you a lot of money,
absolutely,
you can also scale down.
Yeah,
you don't have to just maintain those things, and you can scale down. Sometimes we like scaling down, especially at this period we don't have a lot of guests.
Yeah, for sure.
So, and of course when we bought these things, we were prepared for that. And we had the reason why this house hasn't furnished is because we were thinking, what if we had what if this, what if that. So this house was specifically open, free, waiting for these things to come. And I think this is the right time to put them here, so that you can cut down on our expenses. Because we have a bigger project coming. So with a bigger project coming, you have to scale down and reduce things and cut costs.
Yeah, for sure.
Like cut, and save, so that the bigger project can be successful. If it's successful, then you can move our business there.
Absolutely. That's why I'm with you. Your mind is always sharp. And things speak. So leave it at the comment section, guys. What do you think about that? So is this working? Okay. Let me see. Okay.
It's working. Everything is working.
Everything is working, so we can prepare it from here.
You can cook from here.
Guys, don't come for us, guys. Because you'll be asking, like, why am I so... sometimes in their country or the place where they come from, they're surprised to see something different. How to close it completely?
Is it the pipe?
Maybe.
No, there's something.
Even may hear it. Is it still working? Okay. Okay. You know, don't get surprised, guys. Like, why are you doing this? This is what we have here.
Yeah.
And actually, yeah, this is actually having this in the village. It regards you as a person who have something. Yeah, but yeah, in other places people might see this and say, "Hey, Claude, for sure." But actually, this is it. We're in the village. Sometimes, if this doesn't work, we just connect a banner here, and we use them. So it's multi-purpose. It's connected. That's why I told you I fixed this place and just left it for
and also this place is supposed to be fixed. We need to put some tiles on the wall so that in case you're cooking, so it does not stick to the wall. So the tiles you can easily wipe. So in future when you're fixing this, which is hopefully soon, I think everything will be okay. And they eventually may feel like people will come back. Like because we have bigger projects.
Yes.
I feel like if like we can still move back here so that we can save money instead of paying rent.
Yeah, for
we
sure.
can save money.
More
and
money.
we can only maybe remain with the house for Mombasa. So that in case we can just be moving from here to Mombasa. We are in the village because we have a project here. And we are in Mombasa because we also have a business there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And also, guys, don't come for us like, why Cloud is the house time? This house, it's a mad house, guys. A typical mad house.
No, that's okay.
A typical mad house. You know, sometimes I heard somebody saying, why is the kitchen small and you never made an open kitchen?
Okay, let me explain to them.
Yes.
When you're building these houses, especially as a young man, before you go to your home, you don't normally, you're not even allowed to build a big house or to build a big house. Because you're going to live, and these houses are temporary. At some point, maybe your dad wants to make his business.
Not even to make his business. He wants to separate land, like to subdivide land. He can say, from this point to this point, on all those houses belongs to this. And from this side to the other side belongs to that. And from that side to the other side belongs to that.
Yeah, so your house may be swallowed.
Might be swallowed maybe to somebody's portion. So the only thing is, this is just here temporary, like a home house. In other people they call it Simba.
So in case like that first house, like it's culturally you need to have that first place where you stay in the compound before you move to your own place. So you don't need it big or anything like that. But the house that you're going to construct, hopefully, it should have the one kitchen. The kitchen will be like the size of this house.
Hopefully, pray for us. Pray also make it up as a prayer. Keep praying for that,
and that will also
manifest
with prayers, manifestation, and also saving, and also thinking on how we can cut down on expenses.
Yeah, for sure. So from here, guys, we'll be taking you to our place where we're fixing something there before we move, because as I told you earlier, I don't want trouble with some people around, because I heard they were bringing animals in and they were eating my stuffs. So I have to fix something. So we should be there. And yeah, guys, this is Minhawi. Kindly check her out on YouTube at Minhawi.
Subscribe.
I'm a humble man. I don't wanna trouble no man. I'm a humble African.
Oh, okay.
You know that song?
I've heard it.
How did I say?
I'm a humble African. It's a reggae song.
Yeah. I'm a just a one man.
Oh my God! I was supposed to comb my hair today.
I'm a humble African.
I'm not done it.
Oh, I'll remove your hair when we are here.
Remove my hair.
Guys, we have a very nice place to rest. I'll go and just remove her hair while we are there. Alright, guys, on our new land. See you there, guys.
See you.
Alright. Hi, guys. So we just arrived on our site. I'm sorry I never showed you as we were coming, because we were loaded. We were loaded over here. But I would just...
Oh, you tied this thing with only this?
Yes. I'm a driver and I know what I'm doing. So I was loaded with these offcuts. They're called offcuts. So I want to carry them and take them to the Vicenia. So welcome to our land, guys.
Yes.
So I think this will be a small gate here.
Which one?
But some days we will make it.
This one here.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Should we have like a small gate? So here are the guys who are fixing it. Give yourself a shout out, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, we are just here doing some amazing work here. So actually,
oh, I love that.
Yeah. You see the way.
Guys, is the one who's been making this.
Yeah. So before you forget, I go by the name Davicinia.
David, do you upload videos?
Yeah.
How often?
I really upload videos.
You upload videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like this. Will that be enough?
No, will not be enough. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are just ongoing with the work, but you see, materials are
less.
Okay.
Let's hope for the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been working at home, so now when we are done. But that looks nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, that looks
Very
nice. That looks nice. That's definite. It looks nice. It's
yeah.
better than
We're
nothing.
working with this man here, the one in red.
Oh, the man in red.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So let's wait and see.
Already I've just come here.
And there's maize.
I found food.
And where's, can you give me?
I give you maize. It's hard.
And it's cold. I don't like
I
cold.
found food here. Guys, welcome to our dreamland. We started making what we call like a gate. And through this gate, it will really help us just to avoid intruders coming in, out, in.
And having issues with
and
people.
having issues with people, so it's better. We have this gate over here. Also, we are having our man here. Say something. Yes, how are you guys? Hey, I'll be a kid too.
They're afraid.
They are afraid of their cameras.
Yeah, why? They're
I don't know. Once they heard that we are
they heard that we are Freemasons, everyone is afraid. Anyway, guys, let's see what's going on here. And let's see, catch up. Okay. Guys. Guys, where did you see this tile?
I sent in your video,
Where?
At the picture, it was shown a picture.
Yeah. CJ, where did you copy this tile from?
From your grandfather's home.
Guys, copied this from my grandfather's home. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Why? I feel like it needs like a bit something else, and something else here in the middle, and in the middle here. Katikati, ama. Otherwise, it will not be very strong. In case you have very strong winds.
And this once this place will be
What do you think, guys?
Once we dig down here, I'll also come with what we call car tire or a motorcycle tire like that. I'll just beat it here, here. So it can support.
Don't you think we need another
what?
Another something like timber to support it, because those two are not enough?
These are very, very enough.
This one is very strong, by the
way.
Okay.
That we need those tires.
That tire is strong,
And what are you going to do with this base?
But that's why we brought those offcuts. Yeah. They'll be beaten up.
Okay.
Up, up.
They'll be put there. Okay, guys, let's go.
We are heading to buy more offcuts because the offcuts that we had here were less. So let's go buy more offcuts.
Does it open to this end?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it opens.
All right, so let's go.
Let's go, guys. It's over here. We are almost fixing the gate. Here with Mina. Mina, how you close the gate?
No, it's a bit too heavy.
Okay, so let's wait and see, guys, how it go.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, we came back in town. Come just buy our people there something to just put in the stomach, so that we can see, we can continue with the work. And how is it?
Fine.
What are you having here?
Food, a drink and something snack.
Yeah. The guys fixing the gate.
Yeah.
So we can see what's going on around, guys. So let's head there. We are driving through this area, through this small path as we are heading. So we have several roads this other end. Very many roads that heads to our place. You can come from the upper side, you can come direct from the Mohans, you can come direct from this end. Alright. So here is where we always come to make our meeting from this side.
Yeah. Guys, this road is also very steep. I don't like it.
Why?
Because it's very steep, and if at all your bike decides to cut some brakes, you're done.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, you fear. I don't even know you fear that.
Guys, I'm not a fan of such kind of things. I like a smooth ride, not a bumpy one.
Hey, a smooth ride.
A smooth ride.
Smooth ride with no bumps.
Smooth like me. No bumps. Have
yes.
No bumps.
And here this place have developed.
It has really developed.
Really developed, guys, you know. Actually, it's like, you know, some few years back, like 4 years back, if you could have come this place, you couldn't have even liked it. But nowadays, you know, yeah, very beautiful. People have come back, bought land over here. They have started to construct houses after houses, guys. I'm like, wow. It was like, wow. Look, like, wow. And that's what I like, and that's what I love, because if a community want to grow, you have to welcome other people to come in, so that you can just learn from them also, you know. So actually this place used to be bushy. It used to be just, we used to come down here. Yeah, you know, actually on this other end up to the other side, the road used to be very tiny, very tiny. You know, here in Africa, once you are 1 year, not all not all were Africans, but in the village like this, when you are just 1 year, you start depending on your own. You are left. You are left down there.
You are left there sometimes without lunch.
Yeah, you left down.
Go survive, man. You are already born.
Welcome to the new world. You just go down here. You eat. Hey, like
eat whatever you get. Eat at a neighbor's place and come back.
Like me, I used to eat when I was crawling. I used to eat like what we call like sand. I used to
remember.
My mom told me, like, even now if you ask, like, this guy, you know, till today, when I hear about what we call, like, when it wants to rain, that scent that comes from a road that is dusty, I feel like I can eat dust, you know. Anyway, it's just childhood memories, but most of us, we grew up that way. 1 year, 2 years,
you're a survivor.
You just move here and there.
Start living your life.
Yes. Start surviving. So right here, it's a road also. We are heading down there. Down the stream. Just say, lo. It is the row your boat. Row your boat. Go down the stream. Low your boat, letting down the stream. Life is just a dream. Actually, life is just but a dream, which is very true. This is best. They are also riding their own stuff. I remember this one day I was beaten almost to die. My buttocks was all canes and canes and canes. Why? I've taken a lead, a bucket lead that we used to fetch water from, drinking water from the river. I've started riding it and it became scratched. My mom just like, how do you say it in English, in a good English, just punished me in a good way, in an African way, with all bites, with all slaps, and with all what we call like cooking sticks. And I was like, where? So let's lower our boat down the stream as we see how we are going. It's a big river. All right. our land. And over here they prepare the road. They made a caravan. 1 and 2 here. But still, this area looks messy.
At least there's one.
Yeah, at least.
Better than nothing.
And right there is our boss.
I'm not right there. Okay.
Okay, let's go our boat down the stream and then up the hill. Alright. Yes, here is where you see our gate always, and this is the second one. We are here just making our gate. Mokami since asubuhi. Okay, so guys, we are putting this one, we are laying them here, so let's wait and see. Help me this. We will put something here,
Kashimo ka?
Like something to put like
yeah.
I'm reminding you, Fundi, you know, it's the chief engineer.
The chief engineer?
He's the chief engineer, the man himself.
Has he swallowed something?
Huh?
It looks like he has swallowed something.
No, he hasn't.
Okay.
If he has put something, I can tell.
Okay.
But for now, he's very sober. I'm not sober, Odero.
I'm not sober. I'm not sober because I've taken Guinness. I've taken Guinness, which has got Michael power. I'm not sober, Odero.
I'm not sober. Ulisikia wimbo Enrico? Wasema I'm not sober. Mama nani apewe kitu.
Asi apewe kitu. Apewe tano. Apewe 10.
And Minhawi
apewe Guinness.
and Wasije apewe bia. I'm not sober, Odero. I'm not sober. Actually, that song used to sing at time like now.
I'm not sober.
Unakumbuka kwa naimba muda kama saa hii jioni. Yeah, guys.
I've taken Guinness, which has got Michael power. Michael power?
Alright guys, let's continue with our work. Okay. I wanna see what's going on around.
Alright.
Guys, the time is running. It's not on our side, but still we are really doing this since morning. And we are really tired, really tired. So yeah, that's where Drico, that way. Okay. So we are here with Davicinia.
Yes, we are just doing some
Songeza the app.
construction.
Yeah. There's our engineer here. That way.
You wanna take this one and
You do, that's your work. You do. Me, if I'll make here, I'll beat two misumaris. Let me show you. You know, people don't know that I'm an engineer. You know, like this, you have to put here. This we need two. Imeanda nje.
no. Acha kwanza.
Dito. Why are you laughing, Minhav? Yeah? Because of what? Yeah? I hit outside what?
You hit outside.
And what I hit outside?
You hit
the nail outside.
Relax.
You know my finger.
Okay. That's nice. We're zombie.
Only two like those are enough?
No, it's just like we are trying
Two
to
nails.
balance the nails first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you feeling cold? Guys, I took his jacket.
How can I be cold when you are near me?
Yeah.
That's not a word to say.
There is no way.
There's no way when
Hey,
you can...
Devi.
when she can be cold or I can be cold unless I sleep with a candle. You know, there's a book called Caucasian Choksak. There's a girl called Gusha and a man called Shashava.
I've heard that story like three.
Simon Shashava, you know? Simon
I've
Shashava.
heard that story like 20 times.
And the Grusha was married to a man, who was a dying man on the bed. The dying man on the bed was as cold as ice, and the lady was sleeping with a candle. It was a saying. So that is nice and great. So Simon Shashava, I'll tell you the story one day, guys. The whole nice story. So let's continue with the work.
Okay.
Yes, we see.
I'm yawning.
You're yawning because of cold. Let's look at Minhao. Minhao is working. You're working?
Very much.
Okay. Minhao we work. We are here, guys. We're running out of time. But still we are doing the great. What is supposed to be done at the right time, at the right place, at the right day. So David is working. What are you doing, Minhao?
Peeling the mask.
We are peeling the mask. Is that a mask even, guys? How do you call this? Is it called a mask?
It's not a mask, of course. I'm peeling the clothes.
Tanza kura sakura yegetia hete jomba. Walikatia ushuru. So guys, we are here and we are making this as what you see around here. That's what you see. Still the one is standing and we have left with this one. I don't know what time it's going to stand, but we are still here. We are here. Okarongo hai. Gate imekuwa sasa. The gate is already ready. The gate is already ready. Ndio hii hapa.
So guys, we are still here and they're still there. No. So we are bringing in the bike in here so that because we are fixing the gate up there, guys. So we just bring the bike so that we can use it as for lighting. Okay. Yeah. Want me to accelerate?
Just that way.
Okay, I was doing something. Let me. What data to upload?
Just that way. So guys, this is what we are doing here with David Senior. So uko umeinua vizuri. So here, this is what we are doing. You see, we are putting on a gate.
How is he riding?
How is riding? He's a rider. Hey, Minhao, you're a rider?
I ride so hard.
Okay, you're a rough rider.
I'm a rough rider.
Yeah, so we are just fixing a gate over here, guys. Until now. So tomorrow I'll show you what's going on around up to this, as you see. You know. This gate is standing high, nice. Hey, I love this. I love this. So guys, it's another day over here. So guys, it's another day, it's another beautiful day. So yesterday we made our gate until late night. So right here we are heading to our land. We wanna go see how our gate is, or did it fall down? So let's head. And this is another day, another beautiful, another door. Very nice and great and beautiful. This is the road that heads to the famous area. Right here we have our small police station or police post. So yeah, let's go slowly by slowly down there. Inhal, introduce yourself.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching us from. Well, Howie here. Kindly check me out. Subscribe, like, and share. And remember to watch my videos and don't skip the ads. Most importantly, guys, we're in the village, Yabuhansa village, as you can see, guys. A very, very beautiful village, and we'll never stop telling you this each and every day, guys. We'll remind you how beautiful our village is so that you can visit us. I want you guys to visit us, okay? So yeah, so guys, we're heading to our farm. Go and see 1, 2, 3 things that we are doing there. We're fixing a gate, and hopefully it will be done by today. Took a lot of time and energy, and we're very exhausted. So let's all go, and remember to subscribe to Claude Joseph as well. Grow to 1 million subscribers. Okay, guys? Yeah, it's harvesting time.
Yeah.
Oh, and I hope that the maize that's on our farm is going to be removed.
Also, so
Yeah.
we can have a friend and to do some
Yes.
stuff.
Yes. So guys, let's go.
Yo, heading to our dream place, dream land, dream area. Knock, 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 knock to the heavens door. Yeah, so guys, actually this day, as I showed you now, the gate is wide open. As you see, it's very big, so you have to rectify what you have to rectify over here. like right here. So it opened wide up this side, and also we had to cover this area so that no animals will come in here. And yeah, it's a very big area. And also we have a new guest, a very big guest. My brother just came to pay a visit and see how everything is. From outside, this is how you see it goes this way, and also on this other end. So we have to improvise, like we are doing what you call like an improvisation of something like this. We are with Devisini.
Yes,
Imekataa kukatika. So we are here with Devisini. Yes, Devisini. How is it?
I'm very fine. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
So actually, we are just trying to improvise.
Okay.
What
the hinges,
yeah.
the door hinges.
The door hinges.
So we are using the tire, like to use, because those door hinges or the gate hinges are metallic, and sometimes they can get damaged,
break up
easily.
Yeah.
But when we use this tire, like they fix, and you know, they have this what you call like a feedback. Is it a feedback, or we call it a reinforcement? Once you open a gate, it just comes back by itself.
Yeah.
So they act like springs, because it's rubber. So we're going to use this to improvise. So that's why you see we're having a sharp machete to use this. So also this is under the engineer himself.
Yeah, you see, this thing is
it's very sharp. It's hard but very sharp also.
It has, you know, it has wires.
Oh, wires.
Yeah, so you see.
Oh, so when it reaches here, the V, when it reaches there, I don't know, you could have cut also this point. So you remove this. So you cut this end this way. This way. So you remove this wire so that this can be okay.
Yeah, but we must increase the sharpness of the pang. That's how we will be.
Oh, you cut it.
Yeah.
But the moment that this will enter this way, it's just little by little. Oh, hey, Mura. Hi, Mura. Yes, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, guys, if you remember, this is the guy that the other time you saw him on Christmas list video. This guy, man. Say something.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Greet even Christmas list there. Salimia sana.
Chris, I think you are fine.
Yes.
Yes, I know you shall come to see me anytime.
Yes, for sure. Yes, guys. He's very guy and very bright actually. So for now we are here with him. They're just helping me here to fix the gate and also some few works around here. So Devi, continue the work. Let me go and come to bring you Busar.
Okay, fine.
All right, man.
Be better, yeah.
Okay, thank you, man.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, guys. So let's see what's going here, and also this end, the improvisation of that. You see, like these door hinges. So these are metallic. Sometimes they bend, but when you use those rubber, alafu Daudi, ukitaka kuzigonga, uhakikisha wameinua kutoka hapa nyuma hivi. Alafu sasa unajua ukiinua gate kutoka huku chini hivi, zikipigwa hata ile kishuka inashuka tu kidogo. So they make sure that inainua. Yeah, so guys, this is it. So we are going to put more of them here, so that it will be very nice. And already we have what we call like a chain for it. This chain comes with a padlock, the way you see it. So this chain comes with a padlock, and the moment you close this way, you open. So yeah, one chain. So we will be closing this gate over here. Yeah, so let me welcome you to our brother who traveled all the way from Zanzibar to this end.
Yeah, all the way from Zanzibar, guys.
It's a Zanzibar.
Yeah, from beach to swim.
Nakupenda beach. Yes. How are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you doing, guys? This is Mr. Burundiani Traveler.
Yes.
In case you are new at Claude Joseph's YouTube channel, please show him some love.
Absolutely.
And part of that also, don't forget Mr. Burundiani Traveler is here, and you can watch my videos too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in Zanzibar, of course, with my girlfriend. We reached here yesterday.
Yeah.
And the first stop actually was over here to come and visit my brother.
Yes, thank you so
even
much
we
for
go
coming.
to the family over there. You know, this is one of the home too.
Thank you for coming, brother. Thank you.
So we are
I'm
still actually
humble.
blessing this home.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
that very soon you can see something standing over here and people living.
Absolutely.
And don't fear even to start like even an iron ship house, which you can be staying as you are building.
For sure, brother.
Yeah, it's free. Just life, simple.
Sure. Sometimes you can.
Are you ready to live in an iron ship?
Yeah, an iron sheet. Have you ever lived in an iron sheet?
No.
na mabati.
Okay, then we're gonna try.
We're gonna try it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You can
you
build
know,
an
you know,
iron.
guys, she need also to experience that.
Yeah, such
sometimes that
experience.
is one of the good life to experience. So
Yes.
we'll give you the
Hopefully,
chance.
Yeah. Also, let me give an introduction here to True Boy.
Mm.
208. He's our doctor in the
Yeah,
village.
and you can remove that
Okay.
so that they can know you well.
They can see you well.
Yeah. Mr. Man. You look
Ah.
like your dad.
Alright, this is
that.
Very, very.
Yeah, this is Trooper 208.
Yes.
We are all brothers, by the way.
Yeah.
Long time brother.
Yes.
We've been together since we were young with the CJ.
Yes.
And now finally we united with Mr. Brunton Traveler.
Yes.
With the Kitenge here.
Yeah, you can
This
see
guy, you
them.
know, this looks like Wademaya now, and also, also he looks like a Namibian guy. You know, this is a national attire
In Namibia.
in Namibia. Yeah, a national attire. If you are a Namibian watching these guys,
Odemaya is not watching this video. Let me say something.
yeah, say something.
Odemaya, he called me
Yes,
yesterday.
yes,
He was telling me I'm a big YouTuber, guys.
yes.
Imagine.
Wow,
So he was
congratulations.
visited my country.
Mhm.
He was like an MCA somewhere. They opened state
Oh.
estate.
So he was like actually like an MC
Yeah, yeah.
or
he was
master
an
of
MC.
ceremonies. Yeah.
Yeah, so he was asking me if I'm around so that we can do some video.
Oh man.
And I asked no, he didn't say about the video, but I asked him, I guess you wanted to meet me because at the time he writes me.
Yeah.
And I put the emojis for, laughing. And then he told me like, of course, you are the big YouTuber here. Yeah? You are the international biggest YouTuber over here. So I must meet you, man.
Oh wow, man.
And then I was like, oh.
Too bad.
Too bad you are not there.
In
So I asked him how many days maybe I can rush to go and meet him, but I don't know, guys.
Okay.
So let's wait.
Yeah.
Because if I go there, I can go with him
In your home.
in
Ghana.
In Ghana. Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so I got a chance because I'm a big YouTuber.
That's really nice. That's how chances come. So
Yeah.
how was Zanzibar, bro?
It was very nice,
Yes.
amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And anyway, it was one of the sweetest places ever I've been, especially because I was with my girlfriend,
Yes.
It's like
Nakupenda beach.
more things over there.
Yeah.
It goes with the
Couples.
these couples.
Yeah.
Especially, it's like a vacation place.
Yeah.
Like the way actually I was actually surviving with the Nakemi over there.
Yeah.
Don't see tomorrow I'm traveling alone or with someone
Yeah.
who is, but I don't say the girl.
Yeah.
For example, Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Maybe traveling with him and say like, why you don't go with the Nakemi?
Yeah.
There is a difference between the vacation and the exploring.
And exploring. Yeah.
So there you spend.
You spend a lot.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell you how much I spent, but it was quite
A lot.
number,
Yes.
and it was a lot.
Yeah.
So I spent a lot,
Yeah.
and I didn't wanted her
Yeah.
to use her money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
sure.
because of course
it is you taking her
I
for a
wanted to
vacation.
make her enjoy
Yeah,
things
for
like
sure.
that. So
Yeah.
I spent for it.
Have you heard that, baby girl?
I won't be spending my money.
Miti, don't corrupt her mind. You know how sometimes she spoiled me with her money.
Oh, so then you do that. Also, there is that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, not everyone is supposed to be like BT.
Yeah.
Especially Dana Kemi was building over there.
Yeah.
So she was busy, whatever money finished.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
So I just took her before even she get
I
to
feel
the...
like when you can spoil each other.
Yeah,
spoil
it's
each
more
other.
better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you can, he can. When
Yeah.
I can, I can. It's
Yeah,
for
yeah,
sure.
that is it. So that one is better.
Yeah. So, brother, we are making here a gate.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that we cannot allow people to come in. You know, people have been trespassing here until now. The land become dry, and also animals were eating some stuff. So we decided to put a gate over here. Yeah.
That is very beautiful.
Yeah,
I
man.
enjoyed it, actually.
So it's here.
And I'm seeing,
Yeah.
I'm seeing it.
Yeah.
That is an amazing work, actually.
Knock, 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 knock to the heavens door. You know that song?
Maybe here. Here.
You jump. If you jump, you.
And anyway,
Yes.
congratulations because someone is calling me.
Oh, somebody's calling me.
Is here someone calling?
Oh, Chacha Mnyamwini. Oh, Chacha Mnyamwini is calling me. He's a guy who usually brings some sand and everything. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so here also I'll just put something. We should be sitting here
Yeah.
as we relax. Maybe I
Because
also
there is
a tree.
Yeah.
And also some days I'll put a small store maybe down here. Just a store.
Yeah, please do that.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah.
you know.
Hello, Chacha. Yes, Chacha. Chacha, uko na mchanga au mawe?
Niko na mchanga yenye unataka?
Niletee mawe sasa tipa moja.
Sasa?
Eh.
Niko na mchanga juu.
Eh.
Niko mahali nikiberi kuletea mawe.
Mchanga kama ungenimwagia mchanga ni itakuwa deni, lakini mawe ndo niko nayo. Ngambo hata nilitengeza gate usijui nibomole.
Hapana. Ni mawe gari ngapi sasa?
Mawe moja tu, gari moja, mawe nzuri.
Ona niulize marafiki zako basi. Ni haki ya Mungu nitoe mchanga nikimbie kumwagia mawe sasa.
Uko na mchanga? You want sand BT? No. Fanya hivi. Uko na mchanga aina gani?
Namba 2 ndio nakuwa nazo.
Aya leta hapa basi.
Nyamwini ama hongo?
Nyamwini.
You are at Nyamwini there standing.
I'm at Nyamwini here, right here at Nyamwini. Just bring that sand. Aye. So guys, I was talking with this guy. He supplies materials with us here. So maybe for now, he was telling me he has sand. And actually for now, you know, sand is not available.
Yeah.
I have to keep it here for now. Yeah, so BT, I was just trying to do this because to avoid most of the people here. And thank you for paying a visit.
You're welcome.
And yeah, man. So now here
every day when you were around, you remember?
Yeah.
Even the time you could travel, most time I could not come without you.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Remember, like there is a time we were traveling together and then we separate.
And then we separate.
So before reaching in the village again, I had to wait for him,
For
to
sure.
welcome him at the airport.
At the
and
airport,
bring him.
yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah. Anyway, he's my brother, guys,
Yeah, for
and
sure.
you know.
Feel free.
We are unseparatable.
Unseparatable.
Is it a good English?
Yeah, unseparatable.
Yeah. It just came in mind, you know. Sometimes it just flow.
It's flow,
Hey.
flow.
Hey.
Okay, guys. So this is it, and be blessed always. And let me tell these people to say goodbye. As
for sure.
Minhawi, Abebo, Wasij.
What's up?
Wasij, you know we call it Wasij.
Wasij.
Wasij. All right, maybe you can say goodbye and you give yourself some last introduction.
Okay, guys, Minhawi here. Kindly check me out. Road to 10,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm grateful for this opportunity and welcome back, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we are happy to have you around. It's normally nice when you know you are there.
For sure.
You're around, you know.
Yeah. You guys, you can come and drink coffee. Don't worry.
Yeah, we are coming there actually.
Today, I think today we should go there.
Yeah, we should.
Today
Today we have party in your house.
In your house.
No problem.
Villa Caribbean.
We're going there. Yeah.
Though I'm not yet bought
What?
Cheers.
Yeah, but I
No,
No worry, even my house is
today I
there.
will buy
We're
a
going
mat,
there.
at least a mat. Huh?
Yeah, today we are going.
Okay.
It's been
Wow.
last time I was there was like 3 months ago.
Yeah,
Okay.
Villa Caribbean is
Yeah,
waiting for
yeah.
you.
Okay,
So
guys.
guys,
Yeah.
today you're going to see us at Villa Caribbean.
Villa
Supper.
Caribbean.
Yeah. Supper.
It's fine.
It's not a kitchen chicken.
Oh, there is some chickens. My chickens is already started to grow, but I can't kill one.
Okay, don't worry,
Let's
don't
wait.
worry, bro. Don't worry,
Let's
don't
wait.
worry. Yeah.
So dinner today at Villa.
Yeah, it will be dinner at Villa.
At Villa. I think I
okay.
should do that video today.
Okay,
We
no
don't have a
worries.
video.
Okay.
Dinner at the Villa.
Dinner at the
guy.
Dinner
Villa.
at the Villa Caribbean.
Oh,
Today is
Yeah.
today.
And also check out our brother.
First supper.
Yeah.
Jesus had the last supper.
Yeah.
So we are going to have our first supper as a family.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
At Villa Caribbean today, guys. Go check my YouTube out today.
Okay. True boy.
Yeah,
208.
so this is True Boy 208.
Yes.
We are here, you know, we are each and every time we come to witness the progress of our brother here.
Yes.
You know, they have been coming to Villa Caribbean, Indian travelers.
Yeah.
Now we are now at CJ and Minihawi's project over
Yeah,
here.
for sure.
Next is the True Boy
True boy
208
208. Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen.
Mouth to God's ears.
And
For
in
sure.
fact,
Hallelujah.
you promised me we wanna have one of the video in my home.
Yeah, we are coming.
Yeah.
I told
By
you.
the
Yeah.
way,
So-
before we go.
Yeah, we were to go before we go to Mombasa. We are coming.
Maybe even tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can, yeah.
Yeah. So the video tomorrow will
Yeah,
be
better
to
you remind us. Yeah.
this my young man here, True
Yeah,
Boy,
True
and
Boy
also
208.
to Villa Caribbean. We should be there. All
Yeah,
right.
man.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Peace and love, guys.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.